Okay, we've had the generator overheat and noticed no water flow.
You need extension for that or anything?
No, I've got this 716 hex head gasoline generator. And yeah, give me an extension. I'll use it like a screwdriver. Okay. Whoa, that's a long bolt.
Here's a paper towel if you want.
I don't think one paper towel is going to help. 2. Three.
That's the impeller we got in the spare box.
Yep. 4. So here's the impeller plate. Okay. And let me get a flashlight that works. Where's your big flashlight? And we've got pieces of an impeller. How about small channel locks or large needle nose pliers?
Does needle nose work?
Okay. That was easy. So we don't have much here. And
Warm too.
I can see a piece that's going in the discharge hose. Let me pull that out. So there's a piece right there. Okay, grab this piece. There's one vein. And the strange part about it was that piece was in the intake hose, not the discharge hose. So we will have to take this apart and look through this discharge hose going into the heat exchanger and maybe pull the end cap off of the heat exchanger, or at least pull the hose off of the heat exchanger.
We got us a repair kit right here for a core.
Okay, good. Let me see that. So here's the repair kit right here with the impeller and also a brand new rubber O-ring. So when it cools off, we'll be able to put it all back together. Put Humpty Dumpty back together again.
So I'm missing one.